Hey everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I have another Marshalls haul. Kinda have a problem. Not going to lie. So, Marshalls haul. If you like Marshalls hauls and like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and all that, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm not going to make this intro so long, so let's just get into the haul. So this thing is pretty jam-packed. Yeah, pretty jam-packed. So let's just go right into it. So the first thing, well, not the first thing, I'm really into Calvin Klein stuff. Like, I have some pants, I have a shirt, I have a sweatshirt. What else do I have? I have two pants, I have some sports bras, underwears, all that stuff. So I usually get my stuff at Marshalls. So this just says Calvin Performance and then Klein on the back, and it just finishes it. And it's just this nice comfy gray sweatshirt. Got it in a large, and this was $14.99. If you guys like the Calvin Klein stuff, I would recommend going there, because this is just going to be like, I'm going to be living in this, and like obviously for the gym and stuff, but I just love Calvin Klein. My goal is to have a Calvin Klein backpack or bag just to finish it all off. Next thing I got was this sweatshirt, and it was on clearance for $14 because it says as is, there's a hole in the elbow, and I was like, hole in the elbow, what? But it's just this big, comfy, soft sweatshirt that I can not wait to wear. It's kind of like a high-low, and it's very distressed looking. It has stripes on the sides, and the hole, you can't even like find the hole. Oh, the hole is right here. I feel like it's I'm either going to roll up the sleeves, or I might just make this more distressed, but it just looks so comfy. This is like jeans or leggings and like Ugg boots or just like flats. So comfy. Very, very excited about that. This was originally $17, but it was marked down to $14 because of the hole in the elbow. I'd be like, can you make it down to 10? But the hood's big. It just screams comfy to me. So I needed more comfy stuff because work from home. Need comfy clothes. The next clothes item we have, I found these in the clearance section, and I was just like, say what? And these were originally, like, the real price was $128. You'll see why. And then it was $20, I think. Yeah, $19.99, and then I don't know what the other prices, and then it was marked down to $10. They are sweatpants. Velour sweatpants, you know what that means. I am dying. $10 for juicy sweatpants. They are in a size medium, so they are going to be a little snug on me, but I don't care. I am just so excited. The next thing that doesn't really have to do with makeup, but it does, it says this little decor piece. I think I might put it near my makeup collection. It says makeup makes everything better, and it's so true. It has lip gloss or lipstick, blush, a little brush, lipstick, and mascara. And this was $7.99. I just think I have way too many wall things, but you know what? You can never have too many makeup things. Around my makeup section, I have like makeup decor, so this is gonna go right near my collection. I'm so excited, and it's like nice and bright and colorful and everything, and makeup does make everything better. The next few things have to do with makeup, but not really. I was looking for the Anastasia Beverly Hills stuff, and I couldn't find it, so I was just like, I just need like new tool stuff because I have enough makeup. So I just saw this. I was like, I need a new beauty blender or a sponge, whatever. So I saw this and I was like, what the heck is that? It is it's $3.99. It's by Urban Glow. I don't know what that brand is, but it comes with a little thing to put the Beauty Blender in, and it comes with one, which I think is amazing. So obviously that will be going on my vanity, and I just think it's so cute. So you got 2 things for $4. So each thing was $2. I think that was a pretty good deal. Next thing is I needed new brush cleaner. I keep talking about that I need to clean my brushes, and I will be cleaning them very soon. This is just by BC Beauty Concepts. It's Makeup Brush Cleanser. Deep cleaning. So it's used with micellar water. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this was $4.99. Direct nozzle towards brush. And blah 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 blah. It's not tested on animals. Woo! So yeah, I'll be using this very soon. And it looked very sleek in the packaging. Am I wrong? Am I weird? I don't know. So got that, and then I have something like this, but you put it on your hand, and I just thought that was so annoying. So this just goes to, this is a brush cleansing mat, and this just goes onto like your sink, so I don't have to hold it into my hand. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. It has all these little things it tells you. One is for eye brushes and one for face brushes, so maybe I will try that and see. I don't know. So we'll see. I'm very excited. I don't know if I said this, but this was $5.99. And I know these things can be like by Sigma. They can be really expensive. So I was glad that I found a cheap one. And this was by, I don't even know, Procession Beauty? I don't know. So very excited about that. And the last item that I'm so excited about, we were in checkout, and I was like, of course, all the big makeup items are up front. So there was Anastasia cream contour kits, and I didn't want any of those. I do not do cream at all. There was a lip one, didn't want to do that. There was single eyeshadows. There was a cream pot, and then there were single liquid lipsticks, and I was like trying them on, and as you can tell, I tried to wipe them off and I failed. So I found this little bugger. This was $14.99, which I think is pretty well priced. It comes with Dazed, Bittersweet, and Hudson long wearing high pigment matte liquid lip color, and they are cruelty free. And if I can open it, they're little mini ones. So I think that's so cute, and they're colors that I could totally go for. So this color is Dazed, and I think this is a very reddish, dark red color. I like it a lot. It's not as, it looks like a pink mauve, but on camera it looks red. And on here it looks red, but on here it looks like a mauve color, and I do like it. So there's that one. And then the next one is Bittersweet. This is like a brownish color. And oh my, this is gonna have to be like in a dark look. It is. This one right here, very, very dark. I like it. Right up my alley. And then the next one I'm very excited about. It's like a nude color. Excuse me, sir. I don't think you want swatches on you. And this is the one in Hudson. I'm very excited about this. I hope. Oh yeah. That is right up my alley. And it is this one right here. So got all those for $14.99, which I think is adorable, and I don't have anything by Anastasia. So that was my little quick Marshalls haul, clothing, home decor, makeup items, and all that jazz. So if you liked, you can probably hear my cat. very nice and comfy, obviously. If you liked this little quick Marshalls haul, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do hauls, I do makeup, I do outfit of the days and all that fun stuff. I'm branching out and doing my not just makeup, so bear with me. It's a new year, new things. And don't forget to hit that like. I already said that. Subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.